Hello, class. So I was going through the technology that we have, technology tools, and the last one is called Screen-O-Matic. That's a really great tool. But it's basically recording my screen. For example, right here, like you can see what I have on my computer and the steps. For example, let's say I wanna give a class, record a class, and to teach you how to do things. I will go for let's do an example of this PowerPoint. Just go to the PowerPoint and you can see or visit my computer and you want to do something similar. And we just go and whatever I'm doing on my computer will be shown on this recording. I think this is like a great tool because we can use it for homeworks to explain a lesson plan or like a lesson. Because it's a genius, right? Like you can have my face right here in the corner, or we can take it away and just show my screen. But that is just a just a great tool that we can use by giving a class for those that are far away, or we're gonna give a lesson and one of the students didn't get it. We can give this as a backup plan, and so they can continue do the same steps in their home if they didn't get it in class. And this is just one great tool, and I really love this. I hope you can go through it and learn from it and use it in your class in the future because I know this is really good. So thank you.